Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making some grape juice, so sit back and enjoy. So I have some grape over here. I'll just go ahead and detach it from the stem. Grape is actually packed with lots of health benefits as they help to promote heart health, boost the overall immunity of the body, aid in weight loss process, improve the health of the skin, just to mention a few. So I'll be discarding the stem, after which I'll be adding a little water to it in order to give it a quick rinse. Next, I'll be transferring the washed grape into the blender. I'll also be adding a little water to it, not too much, in order to retain a good quality taste for our juice. So just cover the blender and allow it to blend properly. So after blending, I'll be straining it through this fine sieve in order to get the juice. So guys, I'll be discarding the chaff and our grape juice is pretty much ready and the taste was really amazing. Thank you very much guys for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.